get your money back with help of RBI. Case history. Due to a typing mistake in account number, money was transferred into someone else's bank account. How the complainant got it back. This payment was made from an account with State Bank of India and the beneficiary account was existing with United Bank of India. On 27th October 2020, during a UPI transaction through State Bank of India's YONO Lite app, the amount was transferred into another account of the same branch due to a typing mistake in the last three digits of beneficiary account number. As soon as the mistake was realized, a dispute was raised on 28th October 2020 from the YONO Lite app with a remark, beneficiary account typed wrong. Ticket number was also alerted against the dispute raised and resolution was expected till 4th of November 2020. Meanwhile, the complainant also contacted in his State Bank of India branch with the ticket number allotted and requested to do the needful. SBI officials advised the complainant to first contact the beneficiary bank and request them to do the needful to credit back the amount into your account. Since both of the banks were situated in the same city, the complainant contacted in the United Bank of India branch and the bank officials advised you should contact back to your SBI bank branch with a written application. Once they will accept and forward your request to us, we can start the process. When the complainant contacted back his bank with a written application, the bank didn't accept the application and thrown the responsibility on the United Bank of India by suggesting that since they are the beneficiary bank, so only they can do the needful. It was surely an infinite loop, and matter was not going to resolve very soon. Even the expected resolution date, November 4, 2020, as given by SBI against the complaint through YONO Lite app, was crossed, but not any fruitful action happened. When the complainant felt that it was nearly impossible to get back the money in his account, he decided to raise a complaint with RBI Ombudsman. But due to a predefined condition, the complainant was not able to register his complaint with RBI at that time. As per the Ombudsman Scheme 2006, one can file a complaint before the banking ombudsman if the reply is not received from the bank within a period of 1 month after the bank concerned has received one's complaint, or the bank rejects the complaint, or if the complainant is not satisfied with the reply given by the bank. In other words, you can raise a complaint with RBI after 1 month of your initial complaint at the bank if your matter didn't get resolved. So after 1 month of his complaint through SBI's YONO Lite app, the complainant submitted his complaint on 5th of December 2020 at RBI along with snapshots of his complaint at SBI. A complaint number was also provided by the RBI to track the status. Finally, on 23rd December 2020, the amount was refunded and credited back into the complainant's bank account. The complainant also received a call from his bank branch informing the refund of amount and to confirm if he was satisfied with the resolution provided. Within few days, a letter from Banking Ombudsman Office was received via speed post to inform the resolution provided for the complaint against State Bank of India. It was also included a copy of reply from State Bank of India to Banking Ombudsman and statement of account showing credit of the amount on 23rd December 2020. As per the reply, State Bank of India taken all the steps that were denied initially to the complainant. Like they have made efforts from the beneficiary bank through email as well as via mobile for refund of the amount to solve the matter. It was all possible due to the involvement of RBI Ombudsman, otherwise the complainant was completely hopeless about the refund of the amount. No matter what is the name of bank, what is the amount or nature of complaint, like here, in many cases we can see the neglecting behavior by the banking officials towards providing a resolution to the direct complaints of its own account holders. Thank God, now RBI is here to help you. Refer to the links in the video description area to know about complaint process with RBI Ombudsman. Thanks for watching.